Sorry about that, guys. My computer keeps crashing, and so did my Minecraft. So we're just gonna reinitialize that. I'm gonna wait for my Minecraft to load before I launch the server this time. So we gotta give it a minute. Always so my computer don't crash. Because as you can see, I got multiple files, including my own DNS server, domain name server. Tried to learn how to use Blender, didn't work. Prefer Minimator. So we're gonna let Minecraft load up, and then we're gonna start the servers. I am aware. Oh crap. Oh crap. That didn't sound good. But oh well. Or was that this? No, wasn't that. Nor that. Oh well. Ouch. Well, Minecraft will launch. Could be the OBS software just lagging it. Okay, well, obviously this doesn't want me to finish up to show you the proof of it working, so I'm just gonna close that. I'm gonna show you how to port forward now since my Minecraft won't load. You can go ahead and just pause this. So first you want to go to your firewall, or just type in Windows firewall. Type it right. Here it is. Click this. I'm going to go to advanced settings. Let's go wait for it to load. Okay. Now, we're going to create some rules to allow the server to be port forwarded. As you can see, I already got it right here, including the vote. But I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do it anyway. You're going to go to port. After you create new rule, you're going to just click on new rule. This one will pop up. You're going to click port. Next, TCP to 5565. Next, allow all connections. Gonna make sure all these are clicked. Just gonna name it whatever you want. TCP. That way so you can keep it. Now I can't create this because I already have one. So you're gonna click create, and it's gonna create it. Let's see, it's called Minecraft, so let me see if I could find it here. No. Well, it's right here too. Gonna do this exact same thing for this, but make sure it's UDP this time. 25565. Next, allow all connections. All these are checked. Just gonna do this. UDP. And then you're gonna click finish. It's gonna create the port called this. And then we're gonna make, this isn't necessary, but if you want to use Votifier or Archon to do votes, basically. You're going to want to do this as well for it. Let me see if I can remember. I have it right here for the port, so let me look. Okay, the port is 8192. So with that in mind, we're going to create a vote port. Port TCP 8192. This is the default port. You can put it on whatever port you wish. Just make sure you can remember it. You're going to click next. Allow all connections. All that's checked. Vote TCP. And then you're going to click finish. Now, you can do the exact same thing for vote and in UDP as well, like we've done for these two as well, including this one. And after you're done, hey look, I just found the Minecraft ones. And then after you're done with that, you can actually close this window, because now you got to log into your router and port forward it like that. Ouch. So it's gonna let this slowly load up. You're just going to type in your default port, and if you don't know your default port, type in CMD, hit enter. Gonna go hit IP config. This will pop up. Your default port is right here. Now we're going to keep this open because we're going to need this later. 192.168.0.1. Now I was saying is, in order for you to connect using your server domain, your default gateway has to be 192. It can't be 10.1 or anything like that. It has to be exactly this. I don't know if it can be 10 or 37 or blah blah blah, but as far as I know, I tried it with Xfinity Comcast. Wouldn't work. I'm using CenturyLink at the moment and it works. Now I already have the password and the username. If you're using CenturyLink, the password's on the bottom of the router, and the administration username is always admin. Now you can just simply Google it for what it is for your type of router. After that, you're going to go to advanced settings. Now this is going to be a different setup, but you're just going to look for port forwarding, and it's most likely in advanced options because it's always there. So you're just going to click on port forwarding. As you can see, I already have the server including the vote. Now since I'm running a proxy server, I have it starting from 25564 to 25579 because I'm running multiple servers. So for this, you're gonna want to hit either user PC or like whatever you have. But let's say you don't see your device here. We're just going to manually enter the IP address. And your IP address is right here above the subnet mask. Your IPv4 address, which this will allow you to connect with your main IP itself. So it's 192.168.0.37. Now yours will definitely be different than this. Depends on what router you're using. Could be 10.1, 10. Blah blah blah, or in the 192.168.0. Whatever. So I'm just going to type this in. Starting point will be 25564, and then whatever ending port you want. Usually people put it at 25565 and a 25565 just to port forward one server, but I use multiple servers. So you want to click on TCP and UDP, all IP addresses. Gonna click apply. Now, I already have one right here. You're going to do the exact same thing for right here, though. If you have a part that says IPv6, you don't need it. You don't have to worry about that. You can just skip that part. And after that, you're pretty much done with port forwarding on your router. Now, what you're going to do is, let me see if I can remember. You're going to go to this part right here where your internet is, your internet icon. You're going to click it, do it open. You're going to open it. You're going to open network and sharing center. You're going to let it open, and you're going to go to change adapter settings. You're going to click on your internet. You're going to right click. You're going to hit properties. Now, you're going to do not hit the version 6. You want to hit version 4. TCP/IPv4 properties. Now, like I was saying, your default gateway has to be 192.168.0.1 in order for this to work. So you're just going to do that. 192.168.0.1. Segment mask will always fill itself in. Make sure it's correct. Now, the problem I was having when I first done this with a different port, which was 10.1.10.1, it only put 255 and then the rest was 0. If it does that, like put this one, and this one 0, it won't work. It has to be automatically filled like this. Let's see. And I told you wrong on this one. You want to use your IPv4 address it gives you. So, I'm just going to put 37. And then for the default gateway, it's 192.168.0.1. 0.1. I prefer using Freenom's DNS server because it is fast and secure, which is 80.80.80.80 and 80.80.81.81. You're going to click OK, close. Now you're going to let it process it real quick. It's going to make sure it worked. And there we go, it works. Now you can connect to your server using your domain. Now, what you're going to do is actually open up your Google Chrome again. And you're going to go to freenom.com. Freenom.com. You can get free domains on this website. It's completely free. Just make sure you sign up and you can get a free domain. I prefer using .ga just because, you know, it sounds a little better. Like gelination.ga. Now, just gonna go ahead and just type in something random. Let's say, just gonna type something random like Wildmaster. I don't know, just whatever you want for your server domain. I prefer GA. If you want, you can actually click on all of these for free. If you want, you can get .com, .org, whatever you want. It's all right here, but these are actually priced. So I want a free one, and I'm just going to get the .ga. So I'm just going to click. Going to hit checkout. You're wanting to make sure this is up to 12 months, which is a year. Use DNS. And now, here comes the magic. Instead of it leading wildmaster.ga, we're going to put, let's say, mc.wildmaster.ga. So this will be the IP they use to connect to your server. And this, also, this is my dad's old shop, so, plus we already moved, so that won't matter. This is where you're going to put your server IP, the IP itself, like, 0.0.0.0, whatever port you're using. And you're going to click continue. So we're just going to use 0.0.0.0. We're going to use it or 0.0.0.0. These can actually be changed later on to whatever you wish. We're just using that as a example. Now after that, you're gonna want to make sure you're signed into your account, which, as for me, I forgot to sign in. So after you do that, you'll have to fill out information, and then you're going to click continue. And after you do that, you can go to services, and it'll say your domain. You can click on it, and there it'll be. Now, it's pretty much everything you need to know about this. I just covered how to create the server, how to port forward it, and how to create a server domain, as well as a bonus allowing you to use your own server domain to connect. It's simple as that. I hope this video helped you. I'm going to release another video soon enough how to actually install Windows. Once I figure out how I'm gonna do that. And I'm also going to attempt to work on the animation. So, or I can also make a video on how to create your own texture pack for Minecraft as well. This is for Skyblock. Well, this concludes this video for today. If you're wondering how I edited these videos, to be honest, I don't have any software yet, so I don't know how to answer that question. I'm gonna have to download some before this video can go up. So, I'll talk to you guys later. If you have any suggestions on what I should do or any tutorial videos that you want me to do, just let me know. The Skyblock plugin actually helped a couple people. Around 400 views. To be honest, I'm surprised how many views it's got. So, next time we see each other, or talk to each other, it will probably be tomorrow. And it will also be on Windows 10 after I upgrade my computer, which I will show you how to do if I can. I may have to do it on my phone, which the quality will be terrible. But, yeah. So, talk to you guys later.